Alright, what's up YouTube? Got this piece from the wood show a couple months back. I've already used a big chunk of it for the chopping board that I did a little while ago, and so I kept this piece especially because it had a lot of cracks in it, and so I didn't want to put it in the chopping board, but it also has some gnarly ass looking grain, and I think it'll look really mint. Like almost burly, sort of twisty, knotty epicness, which when it's done up really nice should look mint, I hope. And it's also got a big section out here. Not 100% sure what I'm going to do, but it's probably going to be some sort of little cheese and bread platter servery doodad thing for my wife for her birthday coming up. So let's get into it and figure out what I'm doing. Alright, so basically I've cut it roughly down to size, cleaned up some of this edge just to rough it out a little bit, just to give me the rough shape that I want. Had to do it with the handsaw. Jigsaw wouldn't get through it, but that's okay. It's just to bulk it out, and then I'll Arbortech it and all that sort of stuff later. And then I was basically about to cut out this section, which will sort of form a bit of a handle here basically, but then I decided that I realised it wouldn't give me anywhere for epoxy. So that's what this construction thingy is, and I have no idea if it's going to work because I've never done it before and I'm completely winging it. So if it fails, don't try it. We shall see. So basically laid down a piece of plywood on the bottom, two on the side, and then gap filled the living crap out of it everywhere I could think of where epoxy might leak out. So all these gaps, these sides, they're all on the flat of all the three sides of this and all the sides of this. Alright, so serving platter's all done. Really happy with how it turned out. I know I say that for everything, but that's how I feel about it. Yeah, it looks great. It's got this really gnarly looking grain to it. Really happy with how that turned out. I'll throw a couple more shots in after this, but overall looks really mint. I probably should have had another go at doing a few more of these little cracks just for that I missed when I did the other ones, or they I think I was a little bit premature in sanding it. I probably should have let them dry a little bit longer because I think a few sort of snuck out, but I still actually kind of like it with some of the cracks showing. It just looks kind of gnarly and pretty crazy, and I'll get some nice up close shots so you can see that. But yeah, basically the epoxy worked really well. Overall everything worked really well. It's a nice size. I didn't go so hardcore on the underside. I think I only went to 120 on the underside, just to give it just that little bit of sort of, so it's not quite so silky smooth on top. And then on top, obviously, I went to 240. And it's just going to have another couple of coats, and then it'll be done, just in time for my wife's birthday. So that's good. Yeah, overall, really happy. So if you want to hit like, that'd be sick. If you want to hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. Till the next video, peace.